How's it going? It is storming. It is absolutely storming. I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. I hope you're all doing great. It is supposed to, oh my God. It is supposed to pour for the entire day. But we've got a lot of stuff done. We've got a lot of stuff done this week. There's still a ton of stuff to do. There's a ton of stuff going on. Yeah, if you guys have been enjoying what I've been doing, if you could give me like a like, a subscribe, it's all free. It just helps me out. Maybe it'll help other people find my stuff and enjoy it. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching and coming along on my journey. It means a lot to me. It is once again like 37 in the shade. It's very hot. Archie doesn't care. Oh, he's having a good time. Very hot though. Hot, 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 hot. What in the fuck? So, the garden seems to be doing pretty good. The bottom of these tomato plants don't seem to be doing very good, specifically for some reason. But they are flowering, and there is tomatoes growing on, I think, all of the plants now. How about you? Is there one on you? Maybe not on. Oh, there's some growing on the very top, right there. And then we have our cucumber plants. Oh, yeah, look right here. Got some cucumber growing. And then we have our potato plants, which are sprouting pretty darn good. The peppers, though, I'm not seeing a whole lot of action here. I was actually really looking forward to the peppers. The jalapeno is flowering. Oh, look. Oh my gosh. We've got some jalapenos growing. That's amazing. Let's go. Okay, so garden is making some decent progress besides the peppers. I don't know why the peppers are not doing great. I'm also not exactly sure why the bottom of those tomato plants are dying, but it's a good start. You gonna try swimming again? Oh yeah, I gotta take a pee first, huh? Come on! Oh, my deer flies. Come on, Archie. Come on. There's a little guy. Oh boy, nice jump. Can you do the next one? Oh yeah, even smaller. Oh, this one. Can you do this one? Okay, just jump onto the bog, that's fine. Holy deer flies, Batman. Alright. Oh, yeah. It's okay, Archie. See? It's okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, come here. Okay, go. Off. All right. Ready. set, go. Good boy, Archie. Good boy. Come here. You don't look like you want to do any more. You didn't look like you wanted to do any to begin with. So, he can swim, which is good. He's not very excited to go into the water currently, but he could swim, which is the big thing, honestly. So if he ends up getting in the water, at least I know he can get himself out, which is good. Like, he didn't swim very far there, but he swam. He got himself out. I didn't have to tell him how to get out. He just kind of saw land and went for it. Tucker, you want to go swimming? Huh? You want to go swimming? You want to go in the water? Come on. Come on, Tucker. Come on. Come on, Tucker. You don't want to jump in? Come on. Come on. Jump in. You're too hot. Come on. Okay. Oh, you want to go in, big boy? Oh. This way. Tucker. Okay, you want to go that way? That's fine too. Oh, you swam right through some nasty thing, whatever the heck that was. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Come on. Go get a stick. Come on. Go get it. Go get it. Oh. Wabba. Come this way, Tucker. All right, so you're going the long way. Up you go. Go, boy. Oh, big shake. Big shake. Okay, yeah, I don't know. He doesn't really want to jump in today. What, you don't want to roll anymore? No, don't drink that. Come on, get out of there. Tucker, move. Come on, get out of there. Don't drink that. Silly goose. You want to roll around, huh? What's your plan? Just shake? You want to roll? Do a little roll again? Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, Jesus, fuck. Ow, my foot. What the hell was that? He got by a deer fly or something. Ugh. All right, puppy. Let's go back up. Come on, go. Oh, ow, ow, motherfucker. Oh. I got stung by a fucking hornet in the middle of the lake. Ow. Why? Bitch. Oh. Oh my God, my knee. You got me right on my knee. Oh, jeez. That's crazy.
Oh, what happened with your foot? What happened with your foot, puppy? Did you get bit by the hornet too? Oh my god. We just got bullied. Oh, that hurts. Ah, yeah. Classic Tucker. I don't know if I'm weird, but I personally prefer the mosquitoes over the deer flies. Like, I feel like you can defend against mosquitoes much easier, and they're just not as annoying in general. Like, deer flies just like take a chunk out of you for no reason, and they're so loud and obnoxious. Like, if you put spray on, like, you're mostly good against mosquitoes, honestly. And if they get real bad, you just put a net on and you can just pretend they don't exist. But like deer flies, you put spray on, you put a net on, it doesn't matter. Like, they will land on the net in front of your face and just make as much noise as possible to annoy you, just because. Deer flies were put on this planet just to piss me off. I'm pretty sure. Like, that's the only reason. Come on, Tucker. Oh, Rocket Man. Yeah. The roads are washing out here. The rain's killing it. Yeah. Yeah, it's gotten pretty bad up here. It's like digging a trench through. Like, look at this. It goes like above my ankle to where the road is. That is pretty brutal. Look at this cutie. You're so cute, Archie. Being a good boy. Yeah, you're being a good boy. Yeah, what a good boy. You have a kiss? You have a kiss? Don't eat my hand. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh, good boy. Good boy, Archie. What a good boy. Hey. Okay. Don't eat me. Please. Please. Please, don't eat me. Uh-oh, Tucker's getting up. Being a good boy, Archie. So this is our current battery situation. It is 6 volts, 6 volt, 430 amp hour batteries that are ran in series to form a 24 volt, because it's a 24 volt system, but they're badly corroded, and they are they're not lithium, which is what would be preferred. So these have to be topped up with like water and stuff, which is kind of crappy. And because they're not lithium, you only really get half of the power out of them. You can't like drain them down to zero fully. What are these batteries called? They're not lithium. They're
Lead acid.
Lead acid. So they're lead acid batteries. And why do they corrode like that? They release a gas, right?
Hydrogen gas.
They release hydrogen gas, which corrodes it. Yeah, so not the greatest. We'll probably be replacing these with lithium batteries pretty soon to get more storage. And these ones just kind of suck because they are the lead acid ones. So these terminals just have to come off so they can get cleaned. Like, look how bad that is. It's only been, what, like 3 months since we came up here and cleaned it the first time? Yeah. And it's like some of them are okay, but some of them are just like really bad. You okay? You got shocked? What was that? You did turn everything off, right? Why did you get shocked?
Look at that.
Nice. Oh, you got the mosquito. 10 points, your Gryffindor. Okay.
So,
Should you be doing that over the batteries?
doesn't matter. I'm gonna dust them off after vacuuming on it. Look at that.
Yeah, that's beautiful. They're supposed to look like that one. Not like that. Or like that. It's just baking soda and water?
Yeah, it neutralizes the acid.
It's just eating it away, huh?
The battery acid. That's beautiful. That's after it's been cleaned with a wire brush. And then
You can just hear it going
bubble
forward.
in there.
It cleans it pretty good.
That one's still bubbling there.
Do they have to be filled up all the way with distilled water?
Just a little bit from the top.
A little bit from the top? And the distilled water just helps with,
Turns into battery acid.
oh, okay.
It's got no minerals in it that can short across the plates. We probably should put more.
There might be some more in the cupboard.
Oh, actually, there is.
So why isn't there just one hole that fills the entire thing?
Because they're different. There's three different individual cells.
Oh, there's 3 cells in the one battery?
Yeah. They're 2 volts each. It's a 6-volt battery.
Because how low was it?
Just above the plates.
Just above the plate, so that's probably not great.
That should be good.
And that was only like, what, 3 months or so?
Yeah.
Since we last filled it? And it already went down that much?
Yeah.
Wow. What are these squirrels doing? They're living inside the roof of the old bunkie. They're like fighting on the wall. Oh my god, there's like 4 of them. What the heck? There's a whole family up there. Good Arm and Hammer. It's sizzling. Oh yeah, look at it going in the back there. Probably gonna need some more over there. No, I mean where it's like going crazy. We're gonna need a bigger toothbrush.
This is why you want to use lithiums now.
Yeah, this is
It's bullshit.
bleep.
Especially the lithiums right now, they'll last like, 4,000 up to 15,000 charge cycles.
And you can use the full amount of the battery, not like just half of it. Right?
Yeah, you can deplete it to almost 0%. This is 50% with the flooded, so you get like double the capacity.
We're having the same amount of battery.
Yeah. But we're just doing this for now until Amazon Prime Day sales.
Good old Amazon. So these are the terminals that have been sanded so they're not all corroded and stuff. And then this one on the right is still yet to be done, which is no good. They have to be shiny so they get a proper contact. So these are the batteries here, all connected back up. They're in series. And then the these clips here are for the fridge freezer that we have. It can be plugged straight onto the batteries. It doesn't need a it doesn't have to get plugged into a socket. It can just go right off the batteries. It can go into a socket, but this is more efficient. And then we just have a board that comes on top here. To keep them all secure. Beautiful. So it's pretty good out right now. There's not a ton of clouds. It's decently sunny. It's only like 3 o'clock. I checked earlier and we were getting about the same. This is an app for the inverter, I believe, and it just shows like what's going on with the system. I believe like the total wattage of the panels is 600, but they're very old, so they're not performing at their like peak. And it's also, you know what, I don't know why else. I think they're just old, so they're not doing as well as they should be. because they got cleaned off recently and they're still only producing like, I don't think I've seen it go over like 450. So yeah, the new setup that we get should help with all of this, and it should get us sorted pretty good power wise.